The greatest action camera is necessary for filming adventurous activities like skydiving and surfing. We've thoroughly examined every model of the best action camera, from entry-level to high-end choices, and have ranked our picks in the professional video below. We've put together this extensive list to assist you in finding the best action camera for your needs and budget, regardless of what you intend to capture. Our roundup covers the top action cameras for every buyer. To help you make the right choice, our seasoned reviewers put each model through its paces in a range of real-world scenarios. We test factors such as durability and usability to ensure every camera can perform in the thick of the action. We also assess image quality and how effectively image stabilization smooths out bumps. We've summarized the results below, together with useful buying advice to inform your decision. So now coming up with number 5. Akaso Brave 8 Lite is an affordable action camera for buyers on a budget. In our review, we noted that the cost savings can be felt in the flimsy plastic construction. Yet we also commented positively on its modern design, compact dimensions, and lightweight build. Other takeaways from our testing include the smartphone app, which we found easier to use than the camera's own interface. In ideal lighting, 4K video footage also proved vivid and accurate, if a little high in contrast. That's not the case in lower lighting, where we found that the sensor struggles with a large amount of noise negatively affecting image quality. Stabilization was disappointing too, with the Brave 8 Lite failing to smooth out camera shake while walking or cycling. At 150 minutes of 1080p footage, battery life wasn't remarkable either. Yet while its video quality won't worry premium flagships, we still think the Brave 8 Lite offers fantastic value, with a solid set of specs that's tough to beat for the price. Number 4. Insta360 Ace Pro is the first action cam to offer 8K video output. That resolution will be overkill for many, as will the 48-megapixel stills it can produce and the high price tag it demands. But if you want rugged 8K recording, the Ace Pro is the way to go. Physically, our review found the Ace Pro nicely built. It's heftier than its competitors, hitting the scales at 179.8 grams, which makes it feel substantial in the hand. We also rate its flip-up display, which hinges at the top to deliver a selfie experience that's more responsive than GoPro and DJI rivals. Mounting options are plentiful too, with a magnetic base plate for quick switching. As you'd expect of a sensor co-engineered with Leica, image quality is superb. Our tests found results across all resolutions to be excellent, with good clarity, punchy colors, and solid noise handling in low light, aided by AI processing. Active HDR does pretty well at balancing high contrast lighting, while flow state and horizon lock stabilization are proven performers. Professional filmmakers might wish for log capture and higher 8K frame rates, but this is still a mighty impressive action camera. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 4 is designed to compete with the latest GoPro. To that end, it addresses the Action 3's main flaw with a larger 101.3-inch sensor. Stills resolution is lower at 10 megapixel, while video res remains the same at up to 4K 120p. The key difference is pixel size from our tests. The Action 4 is better at gathering light, faring better than the Hero 12 Black in dim conditions. The Action 4 also benefits from DJI's D-Log profile with 10-bit color. Based on our review, this dramatically enhances color depth and dynamic range, capturing detailed highlights and cleaner shadows. The downside of the larger sensor and wide 155-degree lens is an increased minimum focus distance, making it harder to shoot up close. Outright performance is also throttled slightly by the microSD memory. Elsewhere, features remain mostly the same as the Action 3, already one of our favorite action cameras. It retains the same small but rugged build, removable battery and versatile magnetic mounting system that we liked so much the first time waterproofing is boosted to an even more impressive 18 mm without a case, making it a winner for water sports. Number 2. GoPro Max is the best action camera for shooting in 360. If you only want to record standard action camera footage at the best possible quality, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is a better choice. But if you like the sound of being able to reframe videos after they've been shot in 360 degrees, and you're looking for great audio quality, then the Max is well worth considering. GoPro's most expensive action camera uses two fisheye lenses to shoot spherical 5.6K video, which you can later crop into standard 2D video using overcapture software. In our review, we found that the 6-microphone setup records excellent audio, if not quite up to the level of GoPro's shotgun mic claims. Our tests revealed that it doesn't offer the best 2D video quality due to the need to convert it from a fisheye image and the Max 1440 60p resolution. It can't match standard rivals like the GoPro Hero 11 Black in low light situations either, but it remains the best waterproof 360-degree action camera around. Number 1. Olympus Tough TG-6 is the best tough compact camera for action. Rugged enough to record any adventure, the Olympus Tough TG-6 is a premium compact in hardcore housing. Waterproof to 15 ms, freeze-proof to -10 degrees, crush-proof to 100 kWh, and shock-proof against drops from 2.1 mm. This is an action-ready camera that thrives in conditions that would kill lesser rivals. Though it's weightier than most action cams, its durability doesn't require any extra casing. While it felt solid in the hand in testing, we found in our review that the TG-6 still fits comfortably in a pocket. That's partly thanks to its internally stacked 25-100mm equivalent lens, which offers useful zoom versatility without protruding from the body. The 2.3-inch sensor is relatively small, but it can still capture reasonable raw stills and 4K footage at up to 30 FPS. We did find that overexposure is a risk in bright conditions, but colors generally prove rich, with sensor shift stabilization doing something to combat vibrations. In its high-speed setting, the TG-6 can also shoot 1080p video at 120 FPS, but only for 20 seconds. So that's wrapping our list of 5 best budget action cameras 2024. I hope you enjoyed our selection of the action cameras. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which action camera you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.